Hello, this is Cesar with Scanning Assistant, and I'm going to show you how to scan a nomination package using our scanning unit, which consists of a 60 page per minute scanner and a touchscreen, as you can see on the right hand side. So what I have here is a typical nomination package, just a couple of sections: application for employment, health, and a couple of certifications. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up each section at a time by placing the application for employment section first. And I'm gonna click on scan. What we're gonna do now is gonna scan front and back. It's gonna create a PDF document, but since it's the first time we're scanning, I'm gonna use my mouse and keyboard to create an employee. So this will be employee number 1050. We're gonna give it a position of manager. His name is Joe Smith. And we just scan the nomination section, and the subsection is application for employment. Once you have that information, you click OK, turns it into a PDF, and now you can view the contents of the PDF very easy by clicking the view button. Here's all the information, scans front and back. This is the back of one of the pages. And now we're ready to move on to the second section, which is the health section of the nomination package. So we're gonna load up the health section. We're gonna click on scan. And as long as the information is on the screen, this information will be added to this existing record. Now that we have this employee, all you have to do is select which section you scan, which is health. There's no subsections under health. We're gonna click OK. It creates another section, which now you can view by itself, and that's the health section. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to scan some of the certifications. And for this, I'm gonna add a 16-hour annual refresher training. And what's important about certifications is that they have an effective date. So first we'll scan the certification in. Just as an example, again, we have Joe Smith already loaded. We're gonna click on training. Then we're gonna click on the subsection of 16-hour annual refresher training. If you click OK, there's a message that tells you, please enter the effective date. The effective date will be the date that's on that certification. So for this, we'll use the date of May 1st. Click OK. And now the document is being saved in a new section called training. And here's the document. Now we can add another document called, in this example, safe driving program. You can also use the mouse to scan, so click on scan. We're gonna add the safe driving program. We're gonna select the training section. The subsection for this is safe driving program, and we're gonna select a required date for effective date, which would be the date that the certification was completed. Click OK, and you're done. Click view. Now that section for the training has both certifications, okay? Now, you're able to view each section individually. So if you click on nomination, click on view, there's each section available. But now what we'll do is, once we're completed scanning all the sections, we create what's called a package, the nomination package. So at the bottom right-hand side, there's a create package button, which basically takes all the sections and combines them into one document that can be easily viewed, accessed, and shared among team members. So once the create nomination package has been generated, we can view this through the portal, through the web portal, and we also generated a nomination package header file, which tells you which sections have been scanned. So in this section, employee name is Joe Smith, employee number is 1050. Check mark the X on the right-hand side tells you which sections have been scanned. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you on the web portal how to easily find and view this scan document. Now I'm going to show you how to view the nomination package we just scanned. For this, we will navigate to the Scanning Assistant portal. In this demo example, it's called viewscans.com.
One thing to note is that each client will have a custom, unique, secure SSL domain to access their scanned files. Because of security, to log in into the system, we require a couple of things. A two-step login form, Google reCAPTCHA, and user ID, account number, and password. So let's use one of our demo accounts to log in. I click on the I'm not a robot, click on the chimneys, click verify, log in. It's asking me for the account number. Note that clients can turn on or off the account number requirement to log in. In this example, we have it turned on. Now we click on login. We get to the receipts module, but now we can click on human resources, and it's going to show all the employees that have been scanned. On the left hand side, you have the navigation bar that gives you access to the other modules, reports, and other settings. Now let's look how easy it is to find the employee that we just scanned. For this, we just go to the employee name box, type in Smith, click on search, and here are the different Smiths that have been scanned into the system. The employee we scanned was employee number 1050. That was Joe Smith. He's a manager. And if we open this plus sign, we have the packages sections that were scanned. We scanned the training section, the health section, and the nomination. Now, if you dig in and click the plus sign again, you can see in the training section that we scanned the Safe Driving Program, the 16-hour annual refresher training, the date that it was scanned, and it was scanned by. Now, if you minimize that, you can see the nomination section, and we can see that we added the application for employment, and it's also showing you which other items in the nomination section is missing or have not been scanned yet. Okay, now you can also view each section individually. So for example, for training, if you click on view, you will see just the modules, just the training module with the documents that were scanned. The same thing can be done for nomination. In the nomination, you'll see just the application for employment that we scanned. This is the back of the first page, so it scans front and back, as I told you earlier. Now, that's when you can view each section, but we also have this view nomination package link here on the right hand side. If you click on that, you're able to see all the information in one document. So we have a header file called nomination package. It tells you which files, which sections have been scanned. You scroll down, you see the application for employment. Here's the health section, sample documents, and here's the training section. Now at this point, users can download, print, or email this PDF document. If you go back to this, there's plenty of ways to search for employees. You can sort the columns. You can look by position, status, active or inactive. I'll do another video on showing how to search for employees, but the purposes of this was to show you how to find a employee package, a nomination package that was just scanned, and it's as easy as logging into the secure portal and searching for the employee name or employee number, clicking the search button and clicking on a couple of links. Thank you.